Hey, what's going on, kid? Having a little lunch? Watching the Open? What'd you say? You said you heard Uncle Pat? Your godfather? Are you waving to him? Hi, Uncle Patty the Caddy. What do you got for lunch today? You got mango, huh? Mango. Yes, honey. Dada. Whoop. Looks like you got some in your dress. You want to get that? Here, let me help you. Ugh, sticky, gross mango. But it's good for you, right? Yeah. All right. Well, tell everyone to have a good weekend. Hi. Bye. That you love them. And yeah. TGIF. Happy hour. Miller time. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Were you waving at Uncle Patty? Big kiss. Oh, thank you for the Cheerio. Bye.